Hey guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to do the half up, half down curly hair pigtails. But we're setting the clock for 2 minutes. Can we make the time? You gotta stay tuned to find out. All right, let's start the clocks. Hey guys, welcome back and thanks for joining us for our 2-Minute Tuesdays. Today we are doing the half up, half down pigtails curly hairstyle. The only thing we'll be doing different today is parting it at an angle to make it a little more stylish. So if this hairstyle looks familiar to you, it's because this hairstyle was famous in the 90s. It is the 90s half up, half down pigtails. When beginning this hairstyle, you want to make sure you are starting with a clean slate. You want to have shampoo and conditioned curls. Step 2 is to go ahead and detangle. After detangling, you can go ahead and move forward with the hairstyle. Step 3 is to divide the hair in 2 vertical sections, and then you want to create a horizontal line, and that will be your first pigtail. Go ahead and use a rubber band to wrap around the hair, and from there, we can move on to the other side and repeat the same steps. These are so much fun for little girls. It's a playful hairstyle and there's so many different ways you can style it. You can just leave the curls down or put it in a bun, or check out this video here and add bantu knots. You can also do braids, twist, or really accessorize it with anything you can think of. This is a quick fix to take the hair out of your kid's face. I really don't like when they're running around playing or even at school and their hair is in their eyes. So you can have half of the hair up out of their face. While although my girls love to have the princess hairstyle, I let them know that their hair is long and gorgeous in the back. This hairstyle is ideal for kids of all ages or even adults. It also works on various hair types and lengths. Well, I didn't exactly beat the clock, but you guys get the idea. Right now, I'm just accessorizing. So there's several products that I would love to share with you that I used for this hairstyle. This stuff is amazing. Kinky Curly Knot Today. It's a natural leave-in detangler. I actually squeezed some of it in this water bottle here, and I mix it up with water. It takes a little while for it to disintegrate into the water, but it works really well. So you also want to use a wide tooth comb for detangling, and then this bristle brush to smooth down the flat edges. That way you have a nice sleek ponytail. Towards the end of the tutorial, you can go ahead and use a Denman brush to define those curls. If you want to accessorize, feel free to add any bows, clips, ponytails, whatever you like, you name it. This stuff by Curl Piece is amazing. It's an edge cream and it just smooths down the hair and it lasts for days. Finally, I'll put in this Shea Moisture Wash and Go Gel. This stuff is a different texture than anything I found before, and it defines those curls and just looks good all day. If you guys found this tutorial useful, please like this video. That way we can continue to carry on with our 2-Minute Tuesdays. I hope you guys will subscribe to our channel, and if you want to see this completed hairstyle, we will be posting it on Thursday this week. So make sure you click on that notification bell. That way you'll be notified as soon as it's posted. Love you guys, and thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.